Welcome to Life of a Genie. Today I am going to show you my own version of my national dish, a Filipino chicken adobo. Basically, you marinate the chicken at least 25 minutes or longer. The longer, the better. We need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of peppers, and 2 basil leaves, and pinch of salt, and then mushroom, spinach, 1 small or medium onions. Don't forget the 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and then green onions for garnish later. Now let's start our cooking by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet. In a pan over high heat, remove chicken from marinade and then reserve the marinade and place in the pan. Sear both sides until brown, about 2 minutes each side. Cook chicken halfway. Take note, chicken with bones are longer to cook. Remove chicken from skillet and set aside. Saute onions, garlic, and ginger together until golden brown. Add your mushroom and stir it until golden brown. Take note, you can add other vegetables that you like. So for now, in this recipe, I use mushroom and spinach. Now add your soy sauce. It's 2 tablespoons. This soy sauce will help add flavor to your sauce. And then also the vinegar, it balances the sweetness and saltiness of the sauce. Now mix your mushrooms and other ingredients and add your brown sugar. This brown sugar makes it look like a syrup, like glazy, and it's just so tasty because this has a balanced taste. And now add your spices, pinch salt, and paprika and peppers and bay leaves. I added bay leaves because I like the smell and the taste of bay leaves, so that's why. And now we're gonna add our reserved marinade. So it's the marinade is soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar, a little bit of sugar in it, and then paprika or peppercorns, and then and soy sauce. Now look at this. Now it's starting to boil and cook our mushroom. We can add our chicken. This chicken, you have to make sure you cook it 20 to 25 minutes or cut it open to make sure it's really cooked, because cooking chicken with bones are longer to cook, so just make sure your chicken are fully cooked. Okay, and now if you know your chicken is fully cooked, you can add your other ingredients, other vegetables. I added spinach after the last one because spinach are really easy to cook, go faster, and it's way healthier if it's still fresh. Look at how much spinach I use. You can use as much as you can. It's just add flavors and other healthy, make it more healthy. So let's stir more, and then it's gonna be ready to serve. We're gonna garnish with green onions. It's up to you guys, it's optional, but I like to garnish it with green onions. It just gives more flavor. So let me know if you're gonna try this recipe. I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.